Doctor, we're here at the Health Freedom Expo. You're very outspoken on cancer and cancer cures. Can you talk about some of the backlash that you've received for being so outspoken and what people
About
tried?
5 to 7 death threats a day are normal. That's the average. I've been shot at. My car has been bombed. And see, my book, The Only Answer to Cancer, by now has sold over 1 million times in 21 months, in the 8th edition, and I'm not in one best-selling list. If you sell 25,000 books, you are in the New York Times best-selling list. I sold 1 million. I'm not in one. So if you talk about backlash. But I have 19 best-selling books out there. 57 million books have been sold. And my videos, just the YouTube videos, are already watched about 50 to 60 million times. My TV station, the test site is Dr. Coldwell Opinion.tv. If you want to just look it up. And it's a test site for my TV station. It goes live in 3 weeks. And we are educating people and helping people to cure themselves, and we have to pay the price for that. Whenever we ask for a building permit, strangely enough, it takes about 10 times longer to get one than for anybody else. And when I go through an airport, you don't want to be me. And you don't want to look in my suitcase after it comes back, after it's been through Homeland Security or TSA. And you learn to live with it and just laugh about it. And we already started now sending suitcases ahead so that they don't know it's from me, or sending it with a mail so that my stuff is already here when I arrive. And you just start laughing about it because life is too short to let them really get into a bad mood. Then